Hi, I'm Troy. Welcome to the battery shop. The battery in a Mazda 6 is located right under the hood and is easy to get to. Before we begin, check the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions so you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener on the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Now we are ready to remove the positive battery cable by loosening the fastener using a 10mm wrench. Then remove the positive battery cable and place it off to the side, making sure not to touch any metal on the vehicle. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket, again using a 10mm wrench. Then remove the bracket and the J-bolts. Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield. Now we can install the replacement battery with its heat shield. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten its fasteners. Now we can install the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion before doing so. But don't pound these clamps on because this can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Finally, we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal, making sure that it's fully seated. And tighten the fastener. You can apply battery terminal grease to prevent future corrosion. And we're done.